Welcome back to the Weekend Handyman. Today we will be trying to reseat the bead on this lawn tractor tire. We'll be trying a couple different methods, hopefully only one method, but if the first one doesn't work, we'll be trying something else. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to take a regular old ratchet strap right here, wrap it around the edge of the tire, and try to crank down on it to push this bead right here up against the wheel. Now, to prep this, what I did was, this tire's been sitting for a while, so I took a toothbrush and I cleaned out the inside of the tire and the inside of the wheel right in here to make sure that the surfaces were clean and that once there is air in the tire, it'll hold air and won't escape because of a bunch of debris that's stuck in between the surface right here. I only did this on this side because, as you can see, the other side of the tire is still, the bead's still seated. So before you do this, you want to check both sides of the tire, both sides of the wheel and everything to make sure that they're both clean if they're both not seated. So I'm going to get the ratchet strap on here and I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, I've got the ratchet strap on here now. Forced the tire out quite a bit more than it was up against the bead of the wheel right there, but I have a feeling this isn't going to work, but we'll try it anyways, and if it doesn't work, we'll go on to the second method. Alright, so we've got a line run in from the compressor to try to pump air into this right here. Reason I'm doing this is because I have a really small compressor and doesn't put out the volume I need to pop the bead back on by itself. So here we go. I'm gonna try just hold down on the trigger for the air right here. Just keep the air constantly flowing in and try to work the bead on the back so it seats. So here we go. Oh, there we go. It actually worked. What do you know? So, there we go. The bead seated right in here. And, yeah, I'm going to take the ratchet strap off and go ahead and fill it up to pressure and put it back on the tractor. I've tried this method several times before with both beads separated, and hasn't quite worked out for me, so I wasn't expecting it to this time. But there you go. If you only have one bead that's off, I guess this method should work pretty good. I'm not even going to tell you about the other method because I don't really recommend it. All I'll say is you can look it up on YouTube. So hopefully this helps you out, and if you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you.